Welcome! Today we're making a classic Greek salad that's fresh, vibrant, and full of Mediterranean flavors. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the ingredients for a classic Greek salad. First, you'll need 2 large tomatoes, sliced into wedges for that juicy freshness. Next, grab a cucumber, slice it up thinly to add a nice crunch. Don't forget a red onion, thinly sliced for its sharp flavor. A green bell pepper, seeded and sliced, adds a bit of crispness. Kalamata olives, about half a cup, give a salty kick. And, of course, Greek feta cheese, about 200 grams either cubed or crumbled, for that creamy, tangy goodness. Salt and pepper to taste. For the dressing, you'll mix a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and optionally, a touch of dried mint leaves for that traditional Greek flavor. To start your Greek salad, first grab those ripe tomatoes and cut them into wedges. Then take a cucumber and slice it thinly for a nice crunch. Next up, thinly slice a red onion for that sharp flavor. And don't forget the green bell pepper, seed it, slice it, and add it to the mix for a bit of crispness. Once you've got all your veggies prepped, combine them in a large bowl. This mix of fresh, vibrant ingredients is what gives Greek salad its signature taste and texture. Now add about half a cup of Kalamata olives to the bowl with your prepared vegetables. These olives are famous for their rich, slightly tangy flavor that complements the salad perfectly. Next, sprinkle in 200 grams of Greek feta cheese. You can either cube it or crumble it, depending on your preference. Feta cheese adds a creamy, salty contrast that enhances the freshness of the vegetables. In a small bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano for that classic Greek flavor. Optionally, include a pinch of dried mint leaves for a traditional touch. Whisk everything together until well combined. This dressing will infuse your salad with a tangy herbaceous flavor that complements the freshness of the vegetables and the richness of the feta cheese. Once your dressing is ready, it's time to drizzle it over the salad and gently toss everything together to coat evenly. After drizzling the dressing over the salad, season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Gently toss all the ingredients together to ensure they are evenly coated with the dressing and seasoned to perfection. Finally, serve your Greek salad immediately as a delightful side dish or a light meal. And lastly, here are some tips for making a delicious Greek salad. Use ripe, flavorful tomatoes and fresh, crisp vegetables for the best taste. Authentic Greek feta cheese is creamy and tangy. If possible, choose Greek feta for an authentic flavor. Extra virgin olive oil adds richness to the salad. Use a good quality olive oil for the best flavor. Fresh oregano is traditional in Greek salad, but dried oregano works well too. The addition of dried mint is optional, but adds a distinctive Greek flavor. Greek salad is best served immediately after tossing to maintain the crispness of the vegetables and the flavors of the dressing. Enjoy your delicious Greek salad.